What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve radical equations. The first example I want to show you is square root of m minus 3 plus 3 equals to m. Answer will be square root of m minus 3 equals to m minus 3. So we can say that when we square both sides, these two and square root cancel out, it will be m minus 3, and the right hand side we have m squared plus 9 minus 6m, because it's going to be m squared minus 3 squared, which is plus 9, and 2 times negative 3 times m will be negative 6m. Then it will be m squared plus 9 minus 6m minus m plus 3 goes to 0. Then it will be m squared minus 7m plus 12 equals to 0. And when you factor it, it will be m minus 4, m minus 3 equals to 0. So the answers are 3 and 4. Next example is square root of u minus 10 plus 10 equals to u. Answer will be square root of u minus 10 equals to u minus 10. Then it will be 2 and square root cancel out, it will be u minus 10. And here we have u minus 10 squared, which is going to be u squared plus 100 minus 20u. Then you move everything to one side, it will be u squared, 100 plus 10 will be 110, negative 20u and negative u will be negative 21u, because when positive u goes to the right hand side it will be negative 21, and here negative 10, when it goes to this side it will be plus 10, so 100 plus 10 is going to be 110. So if I want to do this, it's gonna be that will make it negative 11 and negative 10. When you add them, it's gonna be negative 21. When you multiply them, it's 110. So it will be u minus 11, u minus 10. So u will be either 10 or 11. Next example is v minus 1 minus v equals to negative 1. Answer will be v minus 1 equals to v minus 1, because negative v, when it goes to the right hand side, will be positive. Then we squared both sides, it will be v minus 1, and here we have v squared plus 1 minus 2v. v squared plus 1 minus 2v. Then we move everything to one side, it will be v squared minus 3v plus 2 equals to 0. Then we have negative 1 and negative 2. When you multiply them is 2, when you add them is negative 3. That's how we factor that. So we have v minus 1 times v minus 2. The answer will be v equals to 1 and 2. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.